Hello, DBS. Next question. What is the purpose of overlay function in Postgres? So before going to the answer, if you get proper information, just like and comment. Okay, if you really know the answer, then just you can like that, or if you not know the answer, then you can comment. Okay, and subscribe the channel. So the question is, you can read this question. What is the purpose of overlaying function in Postgres? User Postgres are replaced by substring that start a specific position that has a specific length by using the overlaying functions. So basically it is about the length of the string and all. The syntax of the overlaying syntax is that we can say that overlaying main string, what you are going to overlap or replace, placing replacing a string, okay, bracket or break, we can say it from a starting string from that number of character. So this is the syntax for that overlaying function in Postgres. So please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.